My name is Ian Matchett, and today we will be learning how to search up a associate or coworker in UltiPro, which is an application that I use at work. It's like a human resources style application. I just began using it, and I do not know how to find people on the organizational chart. So how I get into it is through my work website. So there it is, UltiPro. There we go. So, organizational chart just tells me who's below me, who's above me, and facts about the people or their contact information. If I need to contact my boss, per se. So, to find out what all we can do here, we'll go into the help section. There we go, employee search. So, we will go back and we'll search up an associate of mine. There he is. There he is again. So it just tells me, like, his manager, there's his email, his location, his department, how long he's been there. So we can search me up. There I am. Let's see how long I've been there, my department, my location, my email, my boss. So that is how I'd go about finding this. I can also click through all of it and find people that way.